Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Microsoft Project Simplified. My name is Dennis Mwaka and this is the third tutorial we're dealing with, and in this tutorial this is a continuation of tutorial 2 and we are still continuing exploring user interface in MS Project. We have looked at numbers of them, and we are looking at more. The other user interface you need to know is the status bar, which is highlighted here on the bottom of the screen. You can see here. Status bar displays some of the important details like scheduling mode of new task. You can see here that you have new task which is manually scheduled. But we also have automatic schedule. Because our project is still blank, you cannot see many of the important details here, but this is just example. In our sample project, when we're dealing with a lot of data here, we shall see more. The other user interface is the active view or the active report. The active view or the active report normally is displayed in the main project window. The main project window is what you see here. What is contained here is what we call it active view or the active report. And project can display a single view or multiple views in separate panes. We shall look at that when we are working with our sample project in future. The other user interface you need to know is the report labels or view labels. The view labels or report labels appears on the left edge of the active view. This here is what you see here. Right now, if you look at this is Gantt chart. Projects includes a lot of similar tables, and this can be useful when you're dealing with your project. You may be in a table and you may not know exactly which it is. You can look at your report labels and you see. We shall see more examples in the next one coming up. And yeah, that is that. There are so many actually. There are so many tables which are similar. But for this case here is a Gantt chart. You cannot see the Gantt chart now because we have not started entering our data. Another user interface which we need to understand is the timeline view. This is the timeline view. I'm highlighting it here for you to see. The timeline view is the area where the program timeline is displayed. This area here, which I've highlighted. It is basically used for communication purposes. It allows you to highlight the key task, the milestone, the phases in a clean and easy to share format. We shall also look at it how to share the timeline when we're dealing with a project. And yeah, that is the other user interface. Okay, I think we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. If this was useful for you, you can subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you.